Let's draw a colorful butterfly. First, draw the butterfly's big round head. Pink. Good. Now, draw a mouth. Yellow. That's it. Add a pair of thin feelers. Blue. Good job! Now draw the butterfly's small oval body. Pink. Violet. Give the butterfly beautiful wings with a pattern. First, one wing. Green. Red. Orange. And now the other. Yellow. Blue. Pink. What a beautiful butterfly you've drawn! Watch your funny butterfly flutter and dance!